Hola, ¿cómo estás, YouTube? It's your boy Luis, or Louie, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, usually I talk about implementable steps that you guys could go and implement into the marketplace today and be able to make money, right? But today I'm not going to be speaking of none of that. I'm not going to be speaking of any tips along those lines. All I'm going to be speaking to you guys is I'm going to speaking directly to you guys. I'm talking through this camera, but I'm really looking at you right now. Yes, you sitting down watching this video, whether you're in your bed, whether you're in your chair, whether you're in your gaming chair, wherever you're at, right? I'm speaking to you, and I'm speaking directly to you only. And what I want to be able to speak to you guys is that you guys bring a sense of energy that no one in this world will ever bring. Okay, you guys bring, and no one can shine like the way that you can shine. And I am the first person to tell you that, hey, you know what, don't be corny, don't listen to all these motivational speeches. But this is not even a motivational speech. This is just to tell you guys the cold hard facts and to tell you how to get an advantage in anything that you're doing right now. And that's going to be your mindset. And I even stress this when I'm training my sales representatives to be great at what they do and establish six figures, whether it's your goal is to establish six figures or establish seven figures. It's going to require the same mindset and the same work ethic, right? But above anything, you guys have to understand that you guys possess something that no one else has. And that's the uniqueness of your creativity, of your energy, the way that you present yourself. No one can do it like you can. So stop trying to fit into a box if you know, or stop trying so hard to be like someone else. If they're speaking about certain topics, okay, you could speak about different topics, or even better, you could speak about those same topics, but speak about them in your own way, because no one can do it like you can. No one can talk the way that you can. No one has that swag, that energy like you do. So at the end of the day, you have to be able to believe in the uniqueness that you bring to the marketplace, the way that you present yourself. I might present myself and I curse a lot, right? And that may not be the cup of tea for a lot of people, right? I tend to lower down the cursing on YouTube because I don't want to get basically not a lot of people to see this, right? So I tend to tone it down, but at the same time, if it comes out, it comes out, because I'm uniquely me. I'm not gonna apologize for who I am, right? I'm not gonna be the CEO that's gonna be clean cutter and just be like not cursing and saying fucking when I want to say it, right? When I feel like it's the adequate moment. It's not me stressing or me trying to just be something that I'm not. It's just something that I grew up with. It's the way that my upbringing was. It's the way that I was molded by life, right? By my experiences, by the way that I grew up, by my upbringing. You could name it whatever you want to name it, but that's who I am. That's what makes me unique. I'm not for anyone. I'm not for everyone. I'm for some, not all. And you have to understand that you're for some, not all. Not everyone's gonna agree with you. Not everyone's gonna love you. Not everyone's gonna support you. And that's okay. I promise you, that is completely 100% okay. And that's actually a good thing. The reason why is because you never wanna be the vanilla in your industry. No one ever wants to be the vanilla. Yeah, the vanilla flavor, everyone likes it, right? No one hates vanilla, right? But then again, no one loves vanilla, right? No one ever says, if you go up to someone, what's your favorite ice cream? They're not gonna say vanilla. They're gonna say cookies and cream. They're gonna say Rocky Road. Yeah, of course, not everyone's gonna love Rocky Road, but there's gonna be a core audience that loves Rocky Road. And they're gonna mess with you, and they're gonna buy your products, and they're gonna be able to rock with you through thick and thin because they love it. Don't be that vanilla flavor. Don't let society tell you that you have to appeal to everyone, because what ends up happening is that you don't please anyone at all, because you're stuck in between being someone that you don't want to be. Don't compare yourself. It doesn't matter. You're uniquely you. I don't want to be anyone else. I'm not saying that to be cocky. I don't want to be anyone else, and so shouldn't you. You shouldn't want to be like anyone else. Whether I have a funny accent, I may not appeal to a lot of people because of the way that I talk, the way that I present myself. People might perceive me as ignorant, cocky, whatever the case may be. But that's okay. I'm okay. I understand people are going to hate on me. I understand people are going to say what they're going to say. But I'm not worried about that. Winners focus on winning and losers focus on winners. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is that I see it so much in the entrepreneur space. Everyone is trying to be like the #1 entrepreneurs nowadays. Let's just say, for example, everyone's trying to be like a Gary Vaynerchuk. Everyone's trying to be like a Grant Cardone. Everyone's trying to be like what's another one? Andy Frisella. Everyone's trying to be someone that's already taken. Just be you, man. Be you. Whether the content gets 2-3 views, whether it gets 5,000 or 10 million views, you are you. Don't sell yourself out for $1, man. You can't be bought. That's the type of mindset that you have to be on. Your will cannot be for sale, like Ed Mylett says this, right? I don't really follow Ed Mylett as much as I should, right? Because he's a high successful net worth individual, net worth entrepreneur. But at the end of the day, I just take small nuggets from everyone, and I take what I like, and I take what and I discard what I don't. But don't ever give your unique edge away. And what is that unique edge? That you're you. No one can be you, bro. It doesn't matter if you have designer clothes. It doesn't matter if you have Skechers on, bro. You're the same person with or without it. I am the same person. I will walk into a deal with the same authority and the same confidence, because at the end of the day, I know that my character and my skills are not going to be determined by the way I dress. Of course, presentation plays a big factor, right? Everyone's going to be telling you, hey, you know what? You need to be presentable. Of course, you're not going to go in there and shoot yourself in the foot. But I'm saying, ultimately, that's not going to take you far if you're a dickhead. If you're not congruently who you are. If you're not showing people that you care. You're not showing people that you empathize with them and that you actually care about them. Right? Because at the end of the day, whether it's in sales, whether it's in any industry that you're in, you have to make sure that you make your customer know, or whoever you're trying to help, know that they matter, man. Know that they matter, and that you're gonna be able to change their life, because at the end of the day, you actually give a fuck about them, okay? I don't want to stretch this longer than it has to be. I really do appreciate your guys' support. If you guys got this far into the video and you guys found it motivating, or if you guys found it any way helpful, that's why I made this video. It's just for one kid to be able to see it that's down and out right now, to be able to be confident in themselves right now. Like recently, I just saw this. Like there was a little girl that was like 9 years old. She lives in Mexico, and she was bullied and bullied and bullied for being weird. And she ended up having a higher IQ than Einstein and Stephen Hawking. So just because you're a little weird and you're misunderstood doesn't mean that you don't have greatness within you. Not saying that greatness is going to take you, or talent is going to take you where you want to go. Obviously, you're going to have to work. You're going to have to put in the time. But understand that it's okay to not be understood in the beginning. It's okay to pave your own way. It's okay to not do it the traditional way and go out and do it the way that you want to do it, okay? So I really do appreciate you guys watching this video. If you guys liked it, hit the like button, comment down below what you guys thought. Subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I'll be posting a lot more. I really want to keep up a consistent schedule. I really do appreciate all the support you guys show me day in and day out on Instagram, Twitter. Follow me down below for more updates on my life, on behind the scenes of what I do in my business. And if you guys are interested in any of that, the links are going to be down below. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Sure. And remember guys, you guys are part of Lou Nation. You guys make the extraordinary look ordinary. Until next time guys, I love you guys. Peace.